Hello dear friends and channel followers, we are at your service with the second and last part of the benefits of consuming turnips for the health and beauty of the body. If you have a respiratory problem, such as asthma, turnip consumption would be a great idea. Many studies have shown that turnips are very useful for people with asthma. This is because turnips are high in vitamin C, which is known as a powerful antioxidant. In addition, turnips have anti-inflammatory properties that allow them to treat various respiratory problems, especially asthma. Cancer is one of the deadliest health problems in the world. Therefore, you should start eating foods that help you avoid cancer. One of the useful foods that you can eat is turnip. In fact, many studies have shown that this herb can help people avoid cancer because it can stimulate the detoxification process in the body. For your information, the detoxification process is one of the main sources of vitamins C and A. There is no doubt that turnips increase the health of your skin. Those vitamins have good anti-aging properties because they scavenge free radicals. Free radicals are known to be the main cause of skin health problems such as wrinkles, fine lines, or blackheads. As a result, your skin will be softer and smoother than before. Also, many studies have shown that regular consumption of turnips will have a good effect on your hair. This is because turnips are high in copper. Copper is a compound that has a great effect on the formation of melanin cells. Melanin is a substance that plays a major role in providing your hair color. In addition, melanin is rich in nutrients such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, zinc, lutein, and patients with gallstones or kidney problems should not eat turnips. This is because turnip is one of the special foods that contain a lot of oxalates. Patients with thyroid problems should also not eat turnips. This is because turnips contain a special substance called glycogen. These substances can generally interfere with the function of the thyroid gland.